and welcome to Foodnmagic. Today I'm sharing an oat smoothie recipe which is a great breakfast option if you want to do a weight loss. This smoothie does not contain any dairy products, sugar, jaggery or any artificial sweeteners. It is loaded with proteins, vitamins and minerals and will help you stay full till lunchtime. Also, you can easily make the smoothie using seasonal fruits like bananas, chiku or apples or any other fruit as per your own choice. I have made it in jars which can easily be carried to work or had while traveling to office. These can be made the previous night too and stored in the refrigerator to be eaten as the breakfast the next morning. So before we begin, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications for my future uploads for free. Also, do leave a feedback in the comment section down below if you make this recipe. So let's get started with the recipe. Like I said, you can use any fruit of your choice. Today I'm using mulberries as these are in the season and this smoothie tastes awesome. I will begin by soaking the rolled oats in water which help in proper digestion of the nutrients. Here, to 5 tablespoons of oats, I will add 1 cup of water and soak it for 10 minutes. If you use instant oats, do not soak them as they are very thin and become very mushy. Till the oats are soaking, let's prepare the other things. Here I had soaked a handful of almonds overnight and I will remove the skin which prevents the complete absorption of nutrients as the skin contains tannins. And the skin is removed. It is best to soak these almonds overnight for best results. I have ground small stick of cinnamon which gives a very nice flavor to the smoothie. I prefer to grind them fresh as the flavor is much better then. And 1 fat pinch is just enough for the smoothie. To make the smoothie, first I will prepare the almond milk by adding in the soaked almonds. To it I will add half a cup of water and grind it for 2 minutes. And here our almond milk is ready. You can reduce the quantity of almonds and add regular toned milk too and then blend with the almonds. It's been 10 minutes and now I will drain the oats and add to the almond milk. Rolled oats are high in fiber content and thus are good for the digestive system. Adding flax seeds is very good as these two are high in fiber content and omega-3 fatty acids and proteins. For natural sweetness, I am adding soft dates which are rich in essential vitamins and minerals. You can add these as per the sweetness you prefer. Add a pinch of cinnamon powder. After this, I will grind it once and then add in the mulberries. You can also add banana, mangoes, apples or any other fruit. I will grind it once and then fill in the jars and then top them up with some more nutritious things, so keep watching. And just look at this gorgeous color, it tastes fabulous too. For a little bit of crunch, add in a tablespoon of oats, some soaked raisins, that is kishmish, which will add the sweetness with every bite and are considered to detox the liver and purify blood. And you can add as many of these sweet mulberries or whichever fruit you are using. Also top up with seeds of your choice and there you go, a healthy smoothie is ready. You can carry it with you too. Do try out this recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comments box given down below. You can prepare these in different flavors and variations which I have shared with you earlier and the link is given in the I button above. See you soon with another such interesting recipe. Till then, take care, bye bye. Thank you for watching this video.